Welcome back to Jordan's Everyday DIY. I'm Melissa. Today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY art project for above my bed in our guest bedroom. So stay tuned. I am basically just taking this moss, which I found at Micheals in this large bag, and I am going to use my hot glue gun on low setting and just start gluing on the top all of this moss. I do wish after I finish this project that I would have stained the inside of this lattice, because you can kind of see that light color when I'm finished. So I plan on getting, I think, a dark green marker and just going and filling the insides of each triangle in. So I am really happy with how this project turned out. It was so simple. It took me about 2.5 hours, I would say. My back did get a little bit sore bending over, so I took a few breaks, but basically it's such a quick project. Now this piece that I did is quite large, and we had all the materials on hand except for the glue sticks and the moss. I did go through a lot of glue sticks, but if you wanted to make a smaller project and you don't have a Brett on hand to make the frame for you, you could just go to Micheals, or Hobby Lobby is a great place to get large frames at a discount. And a lot of times I even find them in the clearance section. So you could do that and then take the glass out and just go to Home Depot and they will cut, I know for sure they cut pieces of wood for you, so I would check and see if they would cut the lattice. If not, I'm sure that you have something on hand that could cut it to the right size. So you definitely could make this on a smaller scale if you wanted to. I was planning on cutting out the word dream in big letters with craft paper. Actually, I was going to do it with glitter paper. I would love someday to have a CNC machine and do that out of wood. I think it would be really cool. But I think I've decided for now that I'm going to keep it like this. I actually like the look of it. And I was thinking more about the moss. I think for it to keep this bright green color, I need to keep it sprayed every once in a while. And we're actually having a women's conference at my house in October, and it's a garden theme. And so I think that I may be using that downstairs somewhere to decorate as well. So for now, I'm gonna leave it like that. I hope you enjoyed this project. Like I said, it's a great beginner project for someone, and I really think that it looks high-end. So if you have any questions, just write it down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this and if you would do it in your home. And until next time, stay blessed.